Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I would like to explaining in details onto the different parameters that will be affecting onto the quality of the welding. So let us start with the different parameters. So first parameters, and that will be the skill of the worker. So skill, that will be the essential part of any fabrication process. But in case of the talking about a welding, it will be having a high skill worker is being required. Then and then you will get a quality weld. So first, and that will be the skill of worker. Second one, welding parameters. So into any kind of welding process, it will be having a different parameters that will be affecting onto the quality of the welding. So just you can see the here it will be the temperature, force, or you can say pressure. In case of the resistance welding, so flow of current. So you should manage such kind of parameters during the welding process. Then and then you will get a good quality welding. So that will be the important parts, welding parameters. Or you can say so many research it will be also carried out with the different parameters it will be affecting onto the quality of the weldings. After the welding parameters, shielding medium. So by the utilization of the different gases like argon, helium, so that will be having a characteristics to protect from the environment. So by this shielding gas, it will be the weld zone, or you can say weld pool, that will be protecting against the environment conditions. So it will be not forming oxide layers onto that weld zone. So this third one, or you can say shielding medium, it will be having a important ones that will be affecting the quality of the welding. If it will be not protecting from the environment, so there will be the chance for generating a oxide into the weld structure. So that will be deteriorating the mechanical property of the welding, or you can say that will be deteriorating the quality of the welding. So third one, shielding medium, that will be also affecting a quality of the welding. After this, working environment. So dusty, or you can say some kind of oxide is being generating from these environments. So you should control the working environment conditions. So there is no dusty environment is being appropriate for the quality of the welding. After this, work layout. So as per the different kind of joint mechanism and the required characteristics of the welding, you should know which kind of work layout is being appropriate according to my applications. So this will be also considering as a parameters that will be affecting onto the quality of the welding. After this, plate edge preparations. So before starting the any welding process, if it will be having some thickness, so there will be the first operation after the cleaning, and that will be the edge preparation. So either it will be depends upon a quality of the joints. Sometimes it will be the single V, double V, single J, double J joints is being appropriate. So as per the my strength of the welding structure, that will be depends. But the edge preparation, that will be having a one of the parameters that will be affecting the quality of the welding. So if you want to learn in details of this kind of edge preparations or different joints, so you will find a link in my description box. After the plate edge preparation, fit up and alignment. So during the any kind of welding process, fit up, or you can say clamping both the base metals, there will be the essential part, and its alignment. So if it will be having not into the align, so it will be not making a quality of the welding. So by the utilization of the different clamping mechanisms, or you can say support mechanisms, or you can say providing good alignment, then and then you will get a quality welding. So this fit up and alignment, which is also considering as a one of the parameters that will be affecting quality of the welding. Then protects from winds during a site welding. So into the outdoor welding methodologies, there will be the major issues for the stabilizations of the arc, or you can say in terms of the gas welding, stable flame. So into the outdoor conditions, that will be protects from the wind during the onto the site welding. So that will be also one of the parameters that will be affecting the quality of the weld. In general terms, what happens? Our arc, or you can say our flame, it will be more stable. If you get more stable arc or more stable flames, then and then you will have a good weld, right? So always that will be protect from the wind during onto the site welding. After this, dimensional accuracy. So that will be all depends upon the skill of the worker, welding parameters, shielding mediums, and most important thing, and that will be edge preparations with a fit up and alignment. Then and then you will get a good dimensional accuracy into the welding. So that will be also considering as a parameters. After this, suitable distortion control procedure in place. So you should take care about edge preparation, alignment, fit up. Then and then you will also controlling the distortion control procedure into the place. So these all are the basics parameters which will be affecting a quality of the welding. So if you like this, then subscribe and share Modi Mechanical Engineering tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.